Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will talk about how to configure VPN connection in Windows 10. For a more in-depth look at the topic, we will link an article in the description down below. Open the control panel and go to Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Press Alt-F and click on New Incoming Connection. A wizard will open. In the first step, mark the users that need to be allowed access to that connection. Then click Next. Select the protocols through the Internet. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. In the screen that appears, ensure that the properties are set as needed. Click on OK. Now make sure that you remember the desktop or the computer's name for future reference. Click on Close to finish it. Now configure the firewall settings. Go back to the control panel. Click on All Control Panel Items, Windows Defender Firewall. In here, go to Advanced Settings. Click on Inbound Rules. Go to the Actions menu and click on New Rule. A wizard will open. In the first step, select the port option and click on Next. Select TCP. In the specified remote ports space, enter 1723 and click on Next. Then select Allow the connection and click Next. Make sure that the rule applies to everyone and click on Next. Give the connection a name or the rule a name and click Finish. Though it's not required, it is recommended to restart your system to allow these changes to take effect. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where we are always adding new content. Thanks for watching and have a great day.